Welcome to my chaotic yet peaceful channel. I'm filming this on Christmas Day 2022 because I obviously have nothing better to do today. So I recently got engaged, and this is related to this video because when I got engaged, my now fiance bought a huge bouquet of roses, which were in this vase. And now I have this very beautiful vase, and I have always wanted to build this flower bouquet Lego set, and I feel like this vase gave me an excuse to buy this Lego set. My mom made some online purchases, and she got me these in like June or July. She didn't know I was going to get engaged back then, but she kind of accidentally bought these really huge Lego sets. Like, she thought they would be something small. They ended up being like this "Will you marry me" set, and I just thought that this would look really cute if I had this vase with the flowers and this like "Will you marry me" set just displayed in my house, you know? So that's why we're here today, and I'm gonna take you on a journey with me to build this. So let's go.